Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a hair tutorial, which is very different for me. I've never done a hair tutorial on my channel, but you guys have been requesting for me to do my bun, my messy bun. So that's exactly what we're doing today. In my hygiene video, there was literally like so many people in the comments saying like, oh my God, I love your hair. Can you please tell me how you do your hair? And it's so easy to do. So I was like, I always thought that girls knew how to do a messy bun because I mean, I've been throwing my hair on the top of my head since high school. Like, it's just a quick process for me because I do not like doing my hair. I hate doing hair. This is normally my everyday kind of hairstyle and I like it to be messy. I don't like having like a very like sleek kind of look. I just feel like the messier, the better. And I think it looks a lot more, you know, classy. I don't know why. I dig it. So if you guys would like to see how I do my messy bun, I pretty much go through every single step, all the products I use, all that jazz. I am going to be filming my hair care routine very soon, so I will go into depth with like my hair color, my shampoo, my conditioner, all that stuff, and pretty much like how I style my bangs because I didn't show that in this video. But yeah, if you guys would like to see how I got this hair look, then just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're gonna take our hair out of this ponytail. So I usually do my messy buns like when I have dirty hair because it's a lot easier to work with, and when you have freshly washed hair you find that your hair is too clean and it doesn't really hold like a messy kind of look. So yeah, my hair is freshly washed. I just washed it today and then I was thinking I have to do my freaking bun video and my hair is clean. So I would recommend doing this on dirty hair. It just works the best for me. So if you're gonna be doing this look and you have clean hair, I really like to use this Dry Bar Triple Sec 3-in-1 texturizer, amplifier, and refresher. So this is almost kind of like a hairspray, a like beach spray mixed with a dry shampoo. So it's gonna give you like that rough kind of like almost like you have like dry shampoo kind of feeling, but it also does like hold, like if you want to do curls in your hair, if you want like to like, I use it on my bangs to kind of keep my bangs in place. It's kind of just like a finishing spray, so I always put this like just everywhere in my hair when I want to do a bun. So I'm just gonna spray this just pretty much everywhere. It smells really good. It smells like, oh, kind of like a coconut, like vanilla smell. So I really like when my hair is dirty and it smells good. And I kind of do this like motion with my hands like in my hair. It kind of leaves a little bit of a cast, but I kind of just rub it out and then it goes away, so it's fine. So you just want to spray that pretty much everywhere. And just kind of like rough up your hair. So you see how it gives it like this like volume and texture, and it doesn't make your hair like hairspray would, like it's kind of like crunchy or something. I don't like that feeling in my hair. I don't like when I have like a lot of built up product in my hair. So I like how this one just gives the look of volume, but it doesn't actually like feel like you have like a lot of product in your hair. So after we do that, I just recently bought this. This is the Big Sexy Hair Powder Play. So it just comes out like a white powder like this. And what you would do is just sprinkle it like in the roots, and it gives you like that like dirty hair kind of feel. So especially if you are doing this look when your hair is clean, it's gonna be a lot easier to work with because you're not gonna have like any oils or anything. So I just sprinkle this in my hair. And I kind of just like rub it, and it has like this weird, I don't even know how to describe like the feeling. It just gives you like this like dirty kind of hair feeling, which is what you want when you're doing a bun. So if my hair is already pretty like dirty and I'm going on like, you know, 4th day hair, 3rd day hair, I don't really have to use this because my hair already like kind of holds the bun. But because I have clean hair, I like to put this in my hair because it's really gonna hold it. And just kind of like rub it around like this. And if you have clean hair, when you put this in your hair, it's gonna help when we go in and tease our hair. It's gonna keep the tease there, so I like to use this when I put in hair extensions too, because it really holds my hair extensions and gives it like a nice grip. All right, so now I'm just gonna go in and kind of like tease the crown of my hair, just like this. And I'm just back combing it like that. And I mostly do like around the frame of my face so that I get like volume, because I don't like it when my buns kind of like lay flat to my head. I want them to have volume and I want them to have like that kind of messy look. So I don't like it when my buns kind of just sit flat on my head. So I'm just gonna tease around the perimeter of my hairline. We're gonna look crazy when we do this look, but that's fine. So I already styled my bangs when I blow dried my hair today. So I basically just take a round brush and I just blow dry them up. I blow dry them this way, and then I blow dry them this way, and then I just go like this with the blow dryer, like really fast to kind of fluff them up. And then this is how my bangs lay. Okay, so I'm just kind of brushing out the tease just a little bit. And then I'm gonna go back in with the triple sec one more time and just kind of put it like in the base of my hair again, because I'm gonna tease the base of my hair now. And I just take this Conair kind of brush, it's just like a paddle brush, and I just do the same thing. Just back comb up like this. Oh my gosh, I just got a look of myself and I look crazy, but it will come together, I promise. But do you see how much volume I got? Because my hair's clean, I would have not gotten this much volume in my hair, but because I use those two products, it really makes my hair like stay. So I highly recommend those products for anyone, because it just works. I just love them. Okay, so now that we have our hair looking like this, now it's time to actually do the bun. So when I do a bun, I personally like the rubber bands that kind of have like a stretch to them. So I make sure I kind of stretch them out like this, because I don't really like a tight rubber band when I do my bun, because I find like it's too harsh on my hair and it kind of like snags my hair. So I like it when they're really flimsy. So I'll sit here and I'll just stretch them, because I don't want them to be too tight. So I'm gonna take the hair tie like this, and then I'm just gonna collect all my hair at the top of my head. And I'm just grabbing it with the back of my hair. Okay, and I'm gonna take my paddle brush and I'm just gonna like smooth over the back of my hair. And I'm just collecting everything right at the top of my head. Now I'm just gonna pull down my little framing pieces on the side of my hair. Okay, so now I kind of have my hair just like that. I'm gonna take, let me sit down flat. Okay, so I'm gonna take the rubber band and I'm just going to go like this once, and then I twist it and I grab the little loop thing right here and pull it through. So that's how it looks just doing it like that. So from here, you see I have like pieces still out like this. Here I'll just take the pieces and I'll wrap it around the bun, and then I'll fit it into that little hair tie. So from here, I like to take my hands like this and I'll just fluff it and tighten it. I'm just pulling it up like this. And the messier, the better, because I like it to be really messy. I don't want it to look pretty or like perfect, because that's the whole point of having a messy bun, is it just look kind of like you threw your hair on top of your head, because that's what we did. So, okay, so here I am just putting bobby pins in to kind of lay some pieces down. And then if some pieces are sticking out too much, I'll just kind of like pin them back. But for the most part, I usually kind of like it just to have like little flyaways like that. Like, I don't mind that at all. But you see this one right here from the side? I don't like that. So we're gonna take that, pull it down, and pin it down so that she's not doing that. So then I make sure all my little flyaways, or not my flyaways, my baby hairs and like my little side pieces are down. And then I kind of give my bangs a little brush through like this. And then I like to pull the back piece of my hair down like this, because I like it where it all looks messy. I'll just go back in with that triple sec one more time. And I just kind of spray my hair one more time. And then if you like really want your hair to stay like all day, this is my favorite hairspray. It's the Bedhead Masterpiece. This stuff, I used this in high school, and I swear to God, it brings back memories every time I spray it, because it just smells like how my hair would smell in high school. So this really locks your hair in, but it does give you that like crunchy kind of feel, but you're able to like brush it out and stuff. So I only use this when I feel like I really need to hold it, but I'll just spray a little bit just to kind of lay my bangs down. And I do it really far away, like I'm back here, because I don't want a lot of hairspray. Okay. So the last thing that I do, and I usually do this when my hair needs to be dyed, because I am naturally blonde and my blonde bits will kind of like peek through my hair, especially when my roots are growing in. So like right up top here, you can kind of see my scalp a little bit, but I did do a pretty good job at covering it. So I'll usually spray like a root spray in my hair just to kind of make it look fuller and more like voluminous and stuff. So right now I'm using the Tresemme Root Touch Up. It's a temporary hair color. I like this one. I usually use the L'Oreal one. Whatever you do, do not buy the one from Sally's. It's like, oh God, like age something, age hair, age define. Girl, I woke up with black dye all over my face. It was not the situation. So I kind of just spray it where I see my roots coming through. Oof. Just be careful that you don't spray your face. So you can see it just makes my hair look more full and more black, which I like. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so I'm just gonna add some hoop earrings in, because I love wearing a bun with hoop earrings. I just think it looks so cute and pretty. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You can curl these pieces right here so you have more of like a kind of fancy looking bun if you curl them. I usually just leave them straight, kind of just chilling like this, or like I'll curl them, either or. They looks really cute. But yeah, that's pretty much how I do my messy bun. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was super easy to make and super easy to do. I am not a hairstylist. I don't know shit about hair, but I know how to do a good messy bun. That is one thing I will pride myself on, is doing a good messy bun. So I'm really glad you guys requested this video. I've been super obsessed with having bangs right now, because I feel like it blocks out my bald spot, because a bitch is balding like right there. So get you some bangs, you know? You only live once. Get some bangs, girl. It really changes your whole look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below, as well as click the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. But other than that, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!